Okay, I'm sorry to forgot to make the video because I'm changing the radiator out, but I'll explain it. It's not that complicated. Okay, as you see, this fan, that's a motor fans for the radiator fan. That's the old one. It's leaking, as you can tell, as you can see, it's leaking. So first of all, you just unplug the fan, because the fan actually had 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, and then see, I had 3 bolts right here. 3 bolts to go through right here. Right here. Let me see if I can get it. Right there. I have 3. Okay. 1 right here, 1 in the middle, and 1 right there. And then just unplug right here. Unplug it. Unplug that. Right here. Right, the plugging. And then take the battery off. Take this air housing filter, just the top of it out, and take the battery out. Then you just pull the fan out. After you're done with the fan, and you just unplug all that. First of all, you got to drain that all out. Unplug that, and then on the Camry, it's simple. Then you take this screw, right, 1 right there, 2, 3, 4. Take that out. Then you just slip the radiator out and put them back and hook it right back in. And now I'm in progress of put a fan back in, but I probably had to. So I'm gonna have to take this off right here. So the fan will go through, and that's it. And plug it back in and screw it back, and then it's all done. You know, and just first of all, let me speak loud now. Drain น้ำออกแล้วก็ unplug the แล้วก็เอาแก้เอา man, I'm better in English anyway, so hell, it's just take the fan off. The fan, it had 3 screw, right, 1 there, 1, 2, 3. Take that off, and yeah, just this simple. Just take all this off right here. As I can show the picture, the batteries right here, and housing right there, right there. Take that off, and then you get your access to the radiator old one right here. You take this screw, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it out and put it out, and put them back in reverse order, and it's all good. Hey man, thanks. I forgot. Sorry, I forgot to do it. So I'll explain it. I hope I can explain good enough. Thanks. Bye.